Hi, I'm Montserrat Bermúdez, and I've enjoyed my Erasmus Plus experience in Florence. I've studied in Europass Teacher Academy a course on sustainable tourism and travel psychology in practice. I've learned the difference between being a tourist or a traveler. We created our own suitcases to fill with experience, and I've discovered that Florence is art everywhere. Florence is artisans, Florence is a library and a cinema. I've learned that art is an expression of a message. I've learned that Florence is art and nature. And I have learned that sustainable tourism is connect with the land and with the people. We were from so different places. It was amazing because the Erasmus experience continued at home. I have totally enriched my life.
Hey, baby.
And I know there's more to come.